Imagine a time when you felt your best, full of energy and vitality. You woke up each morning ready to take on the day, whether it was a challenging hike, a long run, or just a simple stretch in the park. Your body felt invincible, and your mind was sharp and clear. You could easily brush off a common cold, and your body felt like an impenetrable fortress. Even when others around you were falling ill, you stood strong, barely affected by the seasonal bugs. This resilience wasn't just luck. It was the result of a well-functioning immune system. This, my friends, is the power of a robust immune system. It's not just about avoiding illness, it's about maintaining a level of health that allows you to live your life to the fullest. A diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables plays a crucial role in this. It's our internal defense force, working tirelessly to keep us healthy and resilient against a constant barrage of germs and viruses. Every day, our immune system identifies and neutralizes threats, ensuring that we stay in peak condition. Remember that time you effortlessly powered through a challenging week while your colleagues succumbed to the flu? That wasn't just good fortune, it was your immune system working at its finest. It allowed you to stay productive and maintain your well-being. That's your immune system at its finest, shielding you from illness. It's like having an invisible shield that protects you from the onslaught of germs and viruses that you encounter daily. A strong immune system is not about never getting sick, but about bouncing back faster, feeling more energized, and living life to the fullest. When you do get sick, your recovery is swift, and you return to your active lifestyle with renewed vigor. Just like a well-maintained car runs smoothly, a well-nourished body, fueled by the right nutrients, empowers the immune system to function optimally. Regular maintenance in the form of a balanced diet, exercise, and adequate sleep keeps your immune system in top shape. This is where the fascinating world of food and its impact on our health comes into play. The choices you make at the grocery store and in the kitchen directly influence your immune system's ability to protect you. By prioritizing nutrient-dense foods, you give your body the tools it needs to defend against illness and maintain overall health. Let's delve into the intricate workings of this incredible defense system. Our immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that collaborate to protect us from harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Think of your immune system as a well-coordinated army, with different types of cells acting as soldiers, each with a specific role to play. Some cells act as scouts, identifying the enemy, while others are warriors, fighting off the invaders. This intricate system is constantly on high alert, patrolling our bodies for any signs of trouble. And just like any efficient army, it needs the right supplies and nourishment to function at its best. This is where the food we consume plays a crucial role. When it comes to immunity, vitamin C is often the first nutrient that comes to mind. This essential vitamin plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system, and it's something our bodies can't produce on their own. We need to get it from our diet. This powerful antioxidant is like a superhero, fighting off harmful free radicals that can damage our cells and weaken our defenses. By neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin C helps to keep our immune system strong and resilient. Picture vitamin C as a shield, protecting your cells from damage caused by pollution, stress, and even the normal processes of aging. This shield not only guards against external threats, but also supports the body's natural repair mechanisms. It's like providing your immune army with strong armor, enabling them to fight more effectively. With this armor, your immune cells can respond more quickly and efficiently to infections and other health challenges. Fortunately, boosting your vitamin C intake is easy and delicious. Incorporating vitamin C-rich foods into your diet can be a delightful experience for your taste buds. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are excellent sources. These fruits are not only packed with vitamin C but also offer a refreshing burst of flavor. Other great sources include strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. These foods are versatile and can be easily added to a variety of dishes from salads to smoothies. Adding a squeeze of lemon to your water or snacking on a handful of berries are simple yet effective ways to give your immune system a vitamin C boost. So make sure to include these vibrant and nutritious foods in your daily diet to keep your immune system in top shape. Often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D plays a crucial role in regulating and strengthening our immune response. While our bodies can produce vitamin D from sunlight, many of us don't get enough sun exposure, especially during the winter months. Imagine vitamin D as a master communicator, helping different parts of the immune system talk to each other effectively. This ensures that our body mounts a swift and coordinated attack against any invading pathogens. In addition to sunlight, we can obtain vitamin D from certain foods. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are excellent sources. Other sources include egg yolks and fortified foods like milk and cereals. Consider incorporating these foods into your diet to ensure adequate vitamin D levels. Section 5. Zinc, the mighty mineral for immune response. Though often overlooked, zinc is a trace mineral that plays a mighty role in supporting a healthy immune system. This essential nutrient is involved in numerous aspects of cellular metabolism and is crucial for the catalytic activity of over 100 enzymes. It also plays a role in protein synthesis, wound healing, DNA synthesis, and cell division. It aids in the development and function of immune cells, ensuring they are ready to defend our bodies. Zinc is particularly important for maintaining the integrity of the immune system, as it helps in the production and activation of T lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell that fights off infections. Think of zinc as a vital component in the manufacturing process of our immune cells. Just like a factory needs raw materials to produce goods, our immune system requires zinc to produce and activate the cells that protect us from harmful pathogens. Without enough zinc, our bodies wouldn't be able to produce enough soldiers to fight off infections effectively. Zinc deficiency can lead to a weakened immune response, making us more susceptible to illnesses such as the common cold, pneumonia, and other infections. Luckily, incorporating zinc into our diet is achievable through various delicious foods. Ensuring a balanced diet with adequate zinc intake can help maintain a robust immune system and overall health. Oysters are particularly rich in zinc, providing more zinc per serving than any other food. Just a few oysters can meet your daily zinc requirements, but you can also find it in red meat, which is another excellent source of zinc. Including lean cuts of beef or lamb in your meals can significantly boost your zinc intake. Poultry, beans, nuts, and whole grains. These foods not only provide zinc, but also offer a variety of other essential nutrients that support overall health. Adding a handful of nuts to your trail mix is a simple and tasty way to increase your zinc intake. Nuts like almonds, cashews, and peanuts are convenient snacks that can be enjoyed on the go. Or swapping white bread for whole grain bread are simple ways to boost your zinc intake. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat are not only rich in zinc but also provide fiber and other essential nutrients. Section 6. Probiotics, the friendly bacteria for gut and immune health. Now let's move on to a fascinating aspect of immunity that has gained significant attention in recent years, the gut microbiome. This bustling community of trillions of bacteria residing in our intestines plays a vital role in our overall health, including our immune function. Imagine your gut as a bustling ecosystem, teeming with both friendly and harmful bacteria. Probiotics are like the peacekeepers of this ecosystem, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria while keeping harmful ones in check. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that offer numerous health benefits. They assist in digesting food, producing vitamins, and most importantly, supporting a strong immune response. You can find these friendly bacteria in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. Section 7. Practical tips to power up your plate. Now that we've explored the power of these immune-boosting nutrients, let's discuss practical ways to incorporate them into your daily routine. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Start by adding a colorful array of fruits and vegetables to your plate. Think vibrant bell peppers, leafy greens, juicy berries, and crunchy carrots. Aim for at least 5 servings a day, as they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that strengthen your body's defenses. Next, embrace lean protein sources like fish, chicken, beans, and lentils. These provide essential amino acids, the building blocks of cells, including immune cells. Choose baked, grilled, or roasted options over fried foods to keep your meals healthy and flavorful. Section 8. Your journey to a healthier you. Remember, nourishing your body is not about striving for perfection or following restrictive diets. It's about making conscious, sustainable choices that support your overall well-being. Embrace the joy of cooking, experiment with new flavors, and make mealtimes a pleasurable experience. Just as a single workout won't transform you into an athlete, a single healthy meal won't magically boost your immune system. It's the consistent long-term habits that make all the difference. So, be patient with yourself, enjoy the journey, and celebrate each step you take towards a healthier you. Remember, you don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Start with small, manageable changes and gradually incorporate more immune-boosting foods into your routine. Your body will thank you for it. Section 9. Embrace the power of nutrition. As Michael Pollan wisely said, eat food, not too much, mostly plants. This simple yet profound statement encapsulates the essence of healthy eating. By prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods, particularly fruits, vegetables, and plant-based proteins, you provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Remember, taking care of your health is an investment, not an expense. By making conscious choices about the food you consume, you're investing in a stronger immune system, increased energy levels, and a more vibrant life. So let's embrace the power of nutrition and unlock the secrets of superfoods to boost our health today. Remember, every bite is an opportunity to nourish your body and strengthen your defenses. Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. This is gonna blow your mind. Want to be part of the fun? Smash that like button. Hit subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Don't miss out on exclusive content and all the good vibes. Join us now.